Mindware is a leading manufacturer and supplier of barcode solutions, specializing in barcode labels, thermal ribbons, barcode scanners, and label printers. With a strong presence in the Indian market, Mindware provides high-quality products and services for industries such as retail, healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. The company is an authorized dealer and service provider for various brands, including Zebra, TVS, and Cypherlab. Barcode printers selling and servicing top brands like TSC, Citizen, Honeywell, and Toshiba. Ferrule printers, Canon, Lita Twin. Mindware also offers customized barcode label designing software, ensuring businesses can streamline their operations with efficient labeling and tracking solutions. History. Mindware was established with the vision of revolutionizing the barcode industry by providing high-quality, cost-effective solutions tailored to the needs of businesses. Over the years, the company has expanded its product range and strengthened its position as a trusted partner for barcode technology. With continuous innovation and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Mindware has grown into a reputable name in the industry, serving clients across India with reliable barcode solutions, technical support, and after-sales services. Do you dream of making a big impact in the world of technology? Are you a developer looking for the right platform to showcase your skills? Or an investor searching for a high-growth, future-driven business to be part of? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. We are pioneers in the field of technology, constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and digital transformation. For the past 27 years, we have been pioneers in RFID, barcode, and technology solutions. We've worked with thousands of clients in business automation, tracking systems, and smart technologies. But now, we are fully entering the IT sector with groundbreaking digital solutions. As a leader in technology, we are now expanding our impact by promoting the latest advancements in IT and AI-driven solutions. We invite passionate developers and forward-thinking investors to join us in shaping the future. In today's digital age, building meaningful connections, both personal and professional, is more important than ever. Our latest initiative is an AI-driven dating and job search platform designed to match users based on their interests, skills, and preferences. Using advanced algorithms and machine learning, this platform not only finds the right partner but also helps users discover the perfect career opportunities. Are you a full-stack developer, back-end engineer, UI/UX designer, DevOps expert, or AI/ML developer? If so, we have an incredible opportunity for you. We offer not just a competitive salary, but also revenue-sharing opportunities, so your hard work directly translates into financial growth. Join us and use your skills to make a difference while securing a bright future for yourself. For investors, this is a game-changing opportunity. The technology sector is one of the fastest-growing industries globally, and we are at the forefront of this transformation. By investing in our vision, you become a key player in the next wave of digital innovation while securing high returns on investment. Get in touch today and discover how you can be a part of this future-driven success. Now is the time to take action. Whether you're a developer looking for career-defining opportunities or an investor ready to be part of the digital revolution, this is your moment. Remember, the next big tech innovation starts here, and you can be a part of it. Let's innovate, build, and grow together. Looking for exciting career opportunities? We are hiring for the following positions: UI/UX developer, full stack developer, AI/ML developer, R&D team members, sales, front back office. Send your resume to 9910112688. Visit our office on any Saturday after 4 p.m. for a test and interview. Address Mindware S4, Lot number 7, Pocket 7, Pankaj Plaza. Near Metro Station, Sector 12, Dwarka, New Delhi 110078. Join our team and grow with us.